Why does a ball fall to the ground? How do rockets rise into space? Why does light bend through glass? How does electricity power an entire world? Physics is the science that explains all of this and much more. Physics is not just formulas, it is not just equations. It is a language of motion, force, energy, matter, light, electricity, and the universe itself. For many students, physics feels difficult, sometimes confusing, sometimes scary. But the truth is, physics becomes beautiful when it explained step by step. In this course, we will build physics from the ground up, from the very basics to the strong conceptual understanding, to numerical problem solving, to exam confidence. We will begin with the foundations: math readiness for physics, measurement and units, scalar and vectors. Then we will move into motion, Newton's law, friction, circular motion, work, energy, and momentum. After that, we will explore heat, waves, and sound, reflection and refraction, electricity and magnetism, modern physics, and finally, revision for exams. This series is designed to make physics easy to understand. Every chapter will include clear explanation, visual diagrams, real intuition, worked examples, and exam focused practice. Physics is not only for exams, it helps us to understand the real world. Why vehicles move, why bridges stand, why sound travels, why stars shine, why technology works. When you learn physics, you begin to understand the world with a deeper mind. You don't need to be a genius to master physics. You only need the right guidance, the right sequence, and the willingness to learn step by step. Welcome to Arun's Math Lab, and welcome to High School Physics Mastery Program. This is your journey from basics to confidence, from formulas to understanding, from fear to mastery. If you are ready to understand physics, not just memorizing it, then this course is for you. Let us begin this journey together. Welcome to High School Physics Mastery Program.